I'm going to show you guys how to build a manhole and a gully basin in one. I'm going to show you guys. Alright, first you clean out the area first. Clean out the area and I use this for the gully basin. That's a P-chop. So you call this a gully P-chop. So this is face basin. This is the bath. So you're gonna put it here. That's how you start it. You clean out the area first. And make sure you set this the P-chop there below the two pipes. That's how you start it. So I'll start this one already. So before I reach on it there, start this one already. So this is the gully basin and this is the manhole. So I'm going to finish it up now. So I'm going to dress it up. Put up these black wall here. So that's a gully basin and manhole in one. The bath water and the face basin water in one. So as soon as we reach our depth now, we run over here and go to the pit. So that's how you build a manhole and a gully basin in one. That's how you part the gully basin from the manhole. That's how you part it. Gully basin and the manhole. So it's still there now, people. Gully basin and manhole. Now see it's still there now. So water go always inside here. Then after reach the mark, leave and come over here and go to the pit. So this pipe is a toilet pipe. So that's how we do a gully basin and a manhole. So I have this one here now to finish up. I have this one here to finish up. Same thing here. Gully, Basin and Manhole. So I have this one to finish up now. Finish dressing up and so forth. That's how the work go, guys. That's how the work go. So this is the manhole with the Gully Basin. So water gonna come from over there and come right over there and go to the pit. That's the toilet pipe there. So I'm gonna show you guys the next one. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys the next one. I finished yesterday. So this is the one finished yesterday. You see? Water start to settle in it already. You get a little rain. You see? Water settle. And lead and come over to that hole there. That's how Gully Basin work. So that pipe there always full of water. To keep out the scent from coming to the bath and the face basin. See there? Water in there already. We get a little rain, but you never have any cover on it. The pipe gonna continue to go right down to the pit around the back there. So this one to farm yesterday. So that one is a cover for it.